package is not fragile. The other items are fragile. There is a projector inside. Suzec Rd830 model. Here it is sealed. We are going to open. Let us see how the package is. Inside there may be another brand package. So there is no seal here. Suzec pure Chinese item. So they haven't mentioned any model number here. LED multimedia projector HDMI, but I have ordered an Android version. Let us see if are there any model details here. Yeah, model Rd830 commodity projector. Actual MRP is 19,999 as per this. Crystal Paradise. I have applied for a replacement of the same product because one side of the projector was blurry when I projected. This time the package is a little damaged here and it was completely revealing. Let me take a pic of this. Okay, so there is a bump here and another bump here. I don't know how they are handling the projectors without mentioning it is fragile. And this doesn't seem to be a company seal. This is the only Amazon receipt what I got here. I'm going to open it. More or less the same package. Connectors, wire. This seems to be already used. Looking at the bumps. Okay. No batteries, however. Let me open the projector now. Rd830, the model number of projector. Easy paused. Mini LED. There are some oil stains here. This time the focus lens is very loose, but last time it was very hard. But it's better to be loose rather than hard. And they haven't given the lens cover this time also. I'll show you some images after projecting the video, after using the projector. So the video is blurry at the left side, if you observe. Middle and right side it's clear. Then at bottom, if you see, the image is blurry here. And these images are pretty clear. And at top, this is good. But the name fruits is not clear.
Hope you like this video friends. Please subscribe, like and share.